We need help in the Bahamas. Abaco, Freeport has been devastated, been hurt. They have people, a lot of people lost their life. Houses have been destroyed. People don't have food, don't have water. I'm asking everybody here to lend a helping hand. Let's try and see if we can help these people. These people need help. They hurting. They ain't get food, they ain't get water. I am giving $500 million because I want to see people have some food and some clothes and some whatever we could do. Just do for Abaco and Freeport because they need our help. They need our support right now. And right now it's going crazy over there. You know, I call the friends over there. They see families can't go to their homes. They have families. They crouch up in the corner where they dying. You know, the water is crazy. The storm is crazy. I never seen anything like this in my life. Let whoever want to lend a helping hand, please. If you want to donate some money to my foundation, Fox Foundation, send it. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is Dr. Adrian Fox. Let's see if we can help these people get this going. All right. We all need one another. We all need each other someday and sometime. And this is a time Abaco and Freeport need help. Let's do it.
Yes, and for just a night, but joy will come.